Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now, wake the Cmf Watch Pro 2 and check battery above 20% so changes save. Then press and hold the crown or primary side button for about 3 seconds until the display switches to time set mode. You'll see the hour digits blink. Once the hour blinks, release the button and get ready to rotate the crown. This is the only way to change time on this model, so stay focused and steady. Now rotate the crown to advance the blinking hour. Do it deliberately because each click equals 1 hour. Once your desired hour appears, press the crown once to move to minutes. The minute digits will blink. Rotate the crown to set minutes exactly, using small turns for single-minute steps and longer turns for quick jumps. Make sure AM versus PM is correct if shown. Once minutes are set, press the crown again to lock that field and prepare to finalize. To finish, press and hold the crown for 2-3 seconds to save the new time and exit time set mode. The watch face returns to normal. Once done, verify the time on the main face and any connected phone app to ensure sync. If the time didn't save, repeat the long press sequence and confirm battery level. Low power can block saves. If issues persist, restart the watch and try again. A firmware update may be required if behavior is inconsistent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.